you're running ads for Shopee, I recommend link click optimization, because the moment you go for, if you optimize for landing page view, it's not able to capture. I mean, Facebook Ads Manager will not be able to capture, because technically, the moment when people click over and land on your Shopee store, unless you have CPAS, we can't get it. We don't know whether they really landed or not, how many people we are landing. So your question here is, you're saying that if you go for landing page view, meaning that Facebook will get higher quality audience for you. Theoretically, you may say this is working, but the moment you are running this and you are not able to capture the landing page view, it is still falling apart, if you get what I mean, okay? Because the campaign itself cannot learn. They do not know who are the people who really land. So even though you go for the higher, I mean, in that case, I would rather say you can actually go for conversion, purchase conversion might as well, because that's higher quality. Not necessarily. You want to, of course, go for the highest you can, but for this case, the highest you can go, I mean, the deepest intent you can go is link click, because you can't capture landing page view when you do not have CPAS for your Shopee store. So that's where we go. But when you run website, right, of course, you can actually argue to go all the way to purchase, because you can optimize for everything. You have all the tracking, because you also want to take care of the learning of the campaign itself, because when you're not able to get data in, the campaign cannot learn. When the campaign cannot learn, it cannot actually get better and better over time. So that's what I think.